Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into the markets here. A lot of speculation as to when is Bitcoin going to pop? When are the altcoins going to pop? Let's dive in and we'll give you exact numbers based off of the historicals that we have. So taking a look here at crypto bubbles, seeing here crypto bubbles, mostly everything is green. Right. So for the week, everything's green. For the day, you see a little bit of a pullback. A lot of things in limbo. But for the week, just starting the week, everything's good. For the month, of course, 99% of crypto is up for the month, of course. All right. And so with that being said, we can kind of gauge what's going to happen based off the historical pattern. Now, is said to see a super cycle. What does that super cycle look like? Right. Where are we going to go? Here are some predictions, and I tend to agree with most of them. Let's take a look here at OX Nobler on X. Pretty much saying here, the bull run 2024-2025. We are right there, as you can see. We are right here, and we're not even at the pinnacle top yet. Now, the reason why they're saying 300K is because most people think we're going to top out around 180, right? And I think I've said about 180 as well. But if we look at the historicals based off of the 500 days after halving, this is what we tend to do every single time. Now, the reason why we could hit 300,000 is because of the amount of push that we have with institutions, with government regulation coming in the crypto industry that we have not before. If you look to the left, right, at this chart, we never had this much support with crypto. We did this bull run over here, making new all-time highs without any support. With pretty much governments calling it a scam, with celebrities calling it a scam. You have Mark Cuban even saying he'd rather have bananas than Bitcoin, only to change his tune. So everything you see to the left up until this point has happened in spite of negative publicity with crypto. So I tend to agree with a 300K benchmark. I'm not opposed to that because of all the support we have within the crypto industry now. So what can you expect? If Bitcoin reached 300K, what do you think your altcoins are going to do? Think about that. Like, what do you think your altcoins are going to be the roadmap to get your Bitcoin? Hands down. There's no scenario where Bitcoin pushes up to 300,000 and Ethereum just goes to 7,000 like they're saying. There's no way. Just think about that. There's no way. There's no way that the price action that we've seen previously continues with the amount of push that we have. That's why I tend to agree with a 300K. It is possible, 100%. Looking at this projection, 260K still in range when it comes to what we're looking at when it comes to price action. Looking at this band that's going around the price, we see here that 260K does seem reasonable with a pullback between 70 to 100 again, only to skyrocket the next cycle to $1 million a coin. Huge. Okay, so that is the opportunity at play. That is the opportunity we are at right now. Where are we at in the cycle right now? Within that 500 days, guys, it is said you have less than a year. It is said you have less than a year to capitalize on this opportunity. It's said that this run is going to be a super cycle. It's said that this run is going to be a rags to riches situation. You have an opportunity to take advantage of it. You're not too late. Still didn't pop yet. Most coins did pop a little bit, but not many have cleared their all-time highs. Not many. So taking a look here at this final chart here, we see the bull run begins, and what do we see? We see a shot up going extremely above, from a price action standpoint. And this is looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin going to $6, guys. Like, extreme numbers that are possible now. They are possible because of the market conditions, because of the fundamentals that we have in play, right? And this was not seen before. Like, this is not normal. Like, we're going to see record-breaking numbers, things that we've never seen before. And you have an opportunity to be a part of that and ride the wave and take advantage of this to help you move forward to financial freedom utilizing crypto. Wanted to take a look at that. Taking a look here at CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin shattering 106,000. New all-time highs. You look to the left on the Bitcoin charts. We've never seen this price action before. We're in uncharted territory, as we call it, right? Uncharted territory. Our technicals have been aligned. You see that candle that we had, the pullback, a breakout, a bullish descending triangle, bullish descending triangle. Retested that triangle perfectly, only to catapult and create a new high. Spot on price action, if I don't say so myself. If we take a look here at the weekly, just a ton of momentum, guys. And this aligns with the fundamental news that Michael Saylor did buy more Bitcoin today. So it's just a reason. Like, it was like, how do I explain it? So price was going to pop regardless. Michael Saylor buying the Bitcoin is really just a reason for it to pop. That's kind of how the TA works. The TA is going to say, look, this is what's happening. That triangle is happening regardless. Okay. The triangle that we had on the charts prior to it popping, it was going to happen regardless. Okay. It was going to happen regardless. That was just a reason why it happened. And that's kind of how we lean on technicals. And, you know, yes, there are basic buying and selling pressure, of course, but typically retail behavior usually aligns and forms that pattern to give you high probability setups. And that's how we utilize technical analysis and price action. So taking a look here at Bitcoin shattering that level. Ethereum is at $4,000 today, and just a wave to ride. Very exciting times to be in the market. Very excited times to be in crypto. And if you are open-minded and you have some exposure, enjoy this ride, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.